youth, and we'd like to create an adventure for you today. Today we're going to be doing the Orange Bird Scavenger Hunt.
Hi, my name is Mary, and this is how we're going to approach the Orange Bird Scavenger Hunt. The map shows us the approximate location of each of the orange birds. So we're going to go to those locations, locate the orange bird, find what store the orange bird is located, and then figure out the appropriate clue for that store.
Alright, we found our first orange bird, right here across from Wonderful Memories.
Disney Days of Christmas. And the clue? Celebrate holiday cheer throughout the year at this festive store brimming with jolly decor and so much more. Now let's find that O.
Second orange bird sticker. We got it here from the Once Upon a Toy store. And we hope that you find this marker and look at it. Thank you.
Once Upon a Toy. And the clue? Tap into your inner child at this whimsical shop featuring collectibles, puzzles, plushes, and more. Off to find the H. Disney's PhotoPass Studio. And the clue? Capture magic moments and stunning portraits at this enchanting photo studio. Let's go find that L. Watch out for Stitch. He spits. We found this orange bird on the World of Disney. And the clue? Get lost in the magic at the ultimate shopping destination for dreamers of all ages. Off to find the S.
Hey, fifth orange bird. We're doing great on the scavenger hunt, aren't we? Let's continue on, have some more fun.
We found this orange bird on Amaretto's Pastries. And the clue? Dessert lovers' dream come true at this quaint confectionery, featuring specialty cakes and French pastries. Off to find the D.
scavenger hunt.
We found this orange bird on Ever After. And the clue? Bedazzling accessories inspired by Disney characters await in this luxurious location. Off to find the A.
Here we go. Number 7. Number 7 on our search for the orange bird. We're going to the next scavenger. Let's go.
The Disney Springs Welcome Center. And the clue? Need assistance? Our pleasure. Off to find the R.
Eight birds. Going on, we're getting closer. Come on, let's go find the next one.
This orange bird was on the ganachery. And the clue? Discover delights galore at this one-of-a-kind chocolate store. Off to find the S.
The ninth orange bird. We've only got one more left to go. So come on, let's go find it.
We found this orange bird on Disney Style. And the clue? Find fun and fashionable accessories with magical twists at this hip boutique. Off to find our last letter, the P.
All right, here we go. Here's number 10 of the stickers for the orange birds. This is it.
And our last orange bird was found on Disney's Candy Cauldron. And the clue? See how creative confections are crafted at this spectacularly sweet destination.
Thanks for joining us on that scavenger hunt. We've completed it. We had a lot of fun. We hope you did too. We found all the stickers throughout Disney Springs, and we're looking forward to our next adventure. We hope you're looking forward to our next one as well. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.